Hello guys! Welcome to my channel. My name is Marie. You can call me Rio. So how is your day doing? I hope everyone is fine. I hope everyone is doing good today. So, the reason why I'm making a video is because, I just started on YouTube. I just kind of wanted to test it out. So, here I am just about to do this makeup tutorial to show you the everyday look that I do using only affordable products. So, just to make it clear, okay, I am not a professional vlogger, blogger, whatever. I'm just an ordinary girl who uses makeup. So, this is just literally how I do my own makeup. So, let's get started. Oh my god. So, I don't know how to start this, but bear with me guys. Okay. So first, I'm gonna use this hydrating facial mist that I bought from TJ Maxx for $4.99. This is how it looks like. Basically, I just spray all over my face. Then next, I'm just gonna get this beauty blender that I have here. So, one of the affordable foundation on the market usually is Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless in the shade Soft Tan 228. This is how it looks like. And I have my pink squishy beauty blender here that I'm gonna use. So what I do is I just put a little bit in here, and then I use my finger to put it around my face first before going with the beauty blender on it. I don't know, I just find it very easy. So you can get foundation around your face. Then next, what I want to do is to blend it with this on this side. Like this, like just a bouncing motion. Just keep blending. Then make sure you blend it down to your neck area. Also on your forehead, down to your cheeks, on the corners of your nose and your lips. I know this time you're a little bit tired of blending, but blending is the key. Now we're done with the foundation. I'm gonna get this gel serum concealer from Sephora on the shade Tatin number 11. I forgot how much is this. I guess $12 to $11, I don't know, but close to that price. So now I'm just gonna put under my eyes. It's a bit too much, girl. Ang dami kong nalagay, guys. Then sa kabila naman, pantayin ko na lang. At syempre dito sa sumpa guys, ang daming sumpa. Takpan natin. On the bridge of your nose, on your forehead, some of your blemishes, hide it. Nakapagod din talaga mag-makeup, ano? Taste ganda nga, sabi nila, diba? Oh, i-blend mo yan, day. Kasi may sapat na tulog naman ako, pero tingnan mo naman yung eye bags ko, day. Wagas, day. May tulog o wala, pareho lang ang eye bags, day. At yung tagyawat na ayaw kang tantanan, na ayaw tumigil sa katutubo, ayan, takpan natin yan. matte loose setting powder on the shade Ivory 01. I bought this from Miniso in Philippines for only 99 pesos. So now we're brushing away this setting powder because what we're going today is just a natural look. So let's use this big fluffy brush that I have here. Just keep brushing it. Sometimes I use like a circular motion to brush it away. Now we're gonna set the whole face with this Maybelline Fit Me powder on the shade 235 Pure Beige. The price is I think $7 to $8. I bought this from Walmart. And of course, don't forget to blend it down to your neck. Now we're gonna proceed to my eyebrows using this Sha Wheel makeup on the shade Splendid Shine 001. I bought this at the Philippines SM store at Watson's for only 168 pesos. So what I do is I use lighter shade on this palette to create that natural looking eyebrows that I want for today. Mascara yung ginagamit ko sa kilay ko para magmukhang natural hair strands. What I'm using here is the Max Studio Lengthening Mascara na binigay lang sa akin. Hindi ko alam kung saan nabibili pero maganda siya. You can actually use any kind of mascara as long as yung wand niya sa dulo ay maliit lang. Tapos I find it so easy if it's straight when I use it to my eyebrows. Medyo dinadamihan ko or kinakapalan ko ng konti dito sa my inner corner because I wanna achieve the very natural looking eyebrows. What I'm using here is the liner 24-hour L'Oreal Infallible on the shade Black is Black 171. Yep, I usually start on the outer corner of my eye to create a wing liner. Bought this from Ulta. I'm not sure if it's $7 or $8. Then from the inner corner of my eyes, I usually drag the line until it connects the other line that I did earlier. After that, what I like to do is to fill all the blanks so that your eyeliner won't look patchy. Now I'm curling my lashes using this curler that I bought from Nishido in Philippines. You can use any kind of curler as long as it works for you. That would be okay. Now I'm gonna use this Maybelline Total Temptation mascara that I bought from Ulta for like $9 to $10. As you can see, yes, I love thick eyelashes, long eyelashes. That's what I'm trying to achieve here. So that's why I'm putting a lot of it. It's up to you if you're gonna do the same, but for me it works like this. And also I put a little bit on my lower lash. Ang eye bags mo, day. Sobra. Now, what I have here is the Nichido Contour Palette for sculpting and contouring. It comes with the highlight for the shape and for the contour. Bought this from Philippines at SM Department Store for only 350 pesos at Watson's. Ito ang tinatawag na hiram na kapayatan. Mag-contour para magmukhang payat. Dito naman sa kabila, ayan, i-contour mo yan, day. Itago ang malaking pisngi. And also, don't forget to put some under your chin to make the illusion na ikaw ay payat kunyo. Mahiya ka sa double chin mo, day. I-contour mo yan. At syempre, para sa hindi masyadong matangos kong ilong, syempre, i-contour ko din yan, day. Make sure after that you brush it away with a blending brush so you can minimize the harsh lines that you just did. Blush, 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 my favorite part. Here I'm using Ever Belena on the shade Chic Blush Shy. I bought this from Philippines for only 175 pesos. Blushing, just keep blushing, blushing, blushing. One of my favorite from Ever Belena Advance is this lip and cheek stain that I bought for only 165 pesos in the Philippines on the shade Very Red. Kinaganda mo yan, day. So, there you have it. The full look using affordable products. That is the end of this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Make sure you leave comment, like, and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you can be updated on my new upcoming videos. So let me know your thoughts. I'm sorry because this is the very first time I made a video and uploaded on YouTube, a makeup tutorial video that I uploaded on YouTube. So let me know about your thoughts, okay? Bye!